Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. So happy to have you here. Today we're going to do a little Revolution haul. They have sent over a couple packages of new things that I want to share with you. There's stuff from I Heart Revolution, Revolution Hair Care, and I think Revolution Pro. It's not a huge haul, but there are some fun things that I thought were really cool that I wanted to share with you guys. So we're just going to go ahead and jump in. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We do beauty, plus size fashion, food videos, vlogs, stuff like that. So if you are into it, you're in the right place. Let's be friends. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. All right, if you were in the US, Revolution has now opened up a US website again. They had one in the past and they have brought it back. I know some of you guys like to use my affiliate link when you shop for Revolution, but now it only works for the US site. So everything linked down below will be for the US site. Of course, shop whatever site you want to. I haven't tried to shop on the global site recently. If you are in the US and you have shopped on the global site recently, let me know if it let you or if it's not even letting us shop on that site anymore. I don't know. Okay, so I am super excited about this product. Revolution Hair Care has attempted to dupe Olaplex. Have they done it? I don't know yet, but let me show you what they sent over. Okay, so for those that don't know, I'm a huge fan of Olaplex. I use the conditioner. I have the shampoo. I don't love the shampoo. It's like the only one that I don't love. I use step 3. I love step 6. So they have duped step 3 through 6 as of right now. Oh my gosh, these kids back here. I'm just gonna keep going, so I'm sorry if cats will distract you or not, but I just... So step 3 is the dupe of obviously the step 3 of Olaplex, which that is the take-home mask. So it's going to be a bond restore treatment, protein cascade system for all hair types, restores, strengthens, and conditions. It's vegan and cruelty-free. So what Olaplex is if you don't know, especially if you're a blonde, anyone with damaged hair, it's going to help restore the bonds in your hair. It's going to help your hair. I'm speaking about Olaplex in general, and I'm hoping that these are going to be very similar. I haven't tried any of them yet, so I can't tell you, but I use step 3 all the time of Olaplex. I will put it on my hair once every couple weeks just to kind of help restore. I think it's really been a big savior in my hair and why I still have some natural hair. Because you guys know I've been pastel or blonde or something light up until I decided to grow my root out a little bit for years. So I'm really excited that they duped it. It smells really good, kind of exploding out of there. It just looks like a hair product, the usual. It smells good. It smells good. I'm excited to try this. I don't know anything about the protein cascade system, but obviously your hair is protein. It needs protein to, do its thing. So this is really cool if they have duped it. Holy crap, that's amazing. But I don't know. Step 4 and 5, this is the shampoo, this is the conditioner. I'm going to be so excited if this conditioner is bomb because I use the Olaplex conditioner every single time I wash my hair. Every single time. I'm not in love with the Olaplex shampoo just because I have color treated hair. I feel like sometimes it makes my hair fade faster. Or when it was blonde, I felt like it did turn a little bit yellow, which protein can do that. If you do have blonde hair, just be aware. These do say that they are protein products. So I don't know. Thanksy boy! These kids are being bad. Anyway, shampoo and conditioner. I do have to say I'm most excited that they did dupe step 6 because step 6 is my favorite from Olaplex. It's a bond restore styling cream. I use that one every single time after I get out of the shower. I put it on my hair before I style my hair. It kind of helps protect your hair. Definitely makes your hair feel more conditioned. It just feels good. It feels really good on your hair. So I will try this guy and keep you guys posted if I feel like it's comparable to that. Olaplex, if you buy it from Sephora, it's like 28 bucks a bottle. So I'm gonna guess that these are much more affordable. I'll look up the price and put it on the screen. But this one I'm definitely really, really excited about. They all kind of smell the same. They all smell really good. So I'm excited for these. If you guys have tried any of these, let me know. I do really like the color drops. The ends of my hair from Revolution Hair Care, I use the peach and the pink drops, mostly the peach, little pink diluted. And yeah, I really do like the color drops from Revolution Hair Care. So just so you guys know, because I hauled those recently. I just got one random thing from Revolution Pro. This is their blur stick. I don't even think you could see that. I'm going to take out the packaging. Hopefully, this is a big boy. This looks like a big old deodorant or something. Oh my gosh. So it turns off. Oh, big boy. Oh my, I accidentally just got it on my lip. This smells so good. Kind of feel weird about putting it on my face because it kind of smells like candy. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like I just want to sit here and sniff it. It smells so stinking good. Oh my gosh. This feels really nice. I've always been scared of like these blurring sticks because I tried the milk one back in the day when everyone was loving it and I did not like it. It did not work for my skin. It just sat on top of my skin and got all oily and broke up my makeup. So I will try this guy soon in a tutorial and we'll see what we think. We have a more fun box from iHeart Revolution. It is all stuff from their unicorn line. These are brushes. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh, look at this little floofer. Wow. Oh, and it's so soft. Oh my gosh, so soft. These are so cute. So you get, it looks like a fluffy blender. I love how big it is. Then there is a shadow brush. I'm excited to use these. I haven't had new brushes in a minute. At least that I remembered to use. And this is just a foundation brush. I don't really use paddle brushes very much. I'm sure there's other things you could use them for besides foundation. And then this guy looks like he's gonna be a cutie. Oh yeah. I don't know exactly what they're considering. I need to stop crinkling, Shannon. What this would be for. I've seen people use it for blending out their concealer. You can use it as a highlight brush, which is probably what I'll use it for. Maybe a blush brush. I love I'm sniffing stuff. So it comes with this little cute little case, iridescent. One more look at all of those brushes for you guys. So cute. I saw some of the stuff available at Ulta. I believe that's where I got the Unicorn Heart Highlighter, which I literally have sitting right here. So I already have this guy. So they did send it to me as well. So that one I'm probably just going to put in a Poshmark order or do a giveaway at some point or give it to a loved one. Because I purchased it myself. This is actually the one that I already purchased, but I'm just going to go ahead and haul it for you guys again anyway. Oh my gosh, if I can get it out of the packaging. So this is what she looks like. I love these heart highlighters. These heart highlighters from iHeart Revolution are some of my favorites. This one looks really gorgeous. I haven't even tried this one on my face yet. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do it. I'm going to take this little guy. I'm just going to... Oh, yeah. Oh, that is 10 times prettier than I thought it was going to be. Because when I swatched it before, I was not in love, but oh, oh, she's cute. Oh, it's like this pinky iridescent-y. Of course, you can kind of not focus on the pink if you want. There's a white, kind of icy, a pinky, and a goldie. All together, though. Oh, 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 girl. I love these. I love these. I love these. What is taking me so long to put that on my face? I'm taking this upstairs. It's going in my makeup caboodle. I moved from a makeup bag to a caboodle, trying to be slightly more organized because the bag's always spilling everywhere. Palette. This guy, I've peeked at it. She looks so, so cute. Let's open it and swatch a little bit. I really like the packaging. It's a little more simple. I like that you can see everything inside. It doesn't. I wish that it had a mirror, but that's okay that it doesn't because their stuff is so affordable. I love this. I feel like the top is spring and the bottom is fall. Does that make sense? They're all shimmer, which is kind of a bummer. I don't like when palettes are all shimmer because I am a girl of mattes. I am mattes in the crease, shimmer on the lid every day, all day. But wow, that feels like butter. Like soft, creamy goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's watch some more. Let's watch some pastels. Oh, that's gorgeous. Right there. So pretty. It's like a peach with a gold shift. Oh, that's gorgeous. Hopefully you can see the shift. But she cute. Girl, these are pretty. They are so buttery. Oh my gosh, guys. Really quick swatches. Super buttery, super pigmented. If you're looking for a shimmer palette or just something to add a little bit of color while still remaining pretty neutral to your collection, this looks like a good one. Plus it's just cute. It's just cute. You know, and it's nice and compact. That looks pretty. If you guys want a tutorial using all of this stuff, let a girl know. I need to do another tutorial. It's been a minute since I've done a tutorial. I need to make an Ulta haul. I just need to get some new stuff. New stuff. You know, I just need to be inspired. Okay, next we have a Unicorn Heart Glow Mist. Oh, there's like, before I shake it, I'm going to show you guys the bottom. A little bit of like iridescent. I'm going to try and like just focus that on my cheek. Like, how do I do that? This would be cute to like, I would definitely put it like on my chest, on my neck, stuff like that, on my shoulders if I was popping. This will be great for summer because it's just really pretty. Let's do this. Oh, you can see it in there though. The glow. I'm gonna let my hand dry a little bit. My hand is dry, like a desert. I can definitely see the little bit of shimmer in there. So that's really pretty. Of course, it's still a little bit wet on my hand, but it kind of smells like candy, which I would expect in this packaging. We've got a Glow Serum Primer. Excited for that always. Serum primers are always intriguing to me. I haven't really found one that I love, but I just love the idea of it being like a skincare and primer situation. She's cute. I'm surprised this hasn't made it like all over TikTok yet. Maybe I need to make a TikTok with this because this is like iridescent, gorgeous goodness. The days of like the dripping on the face, the Instagram tutorials. It kind of smells like Christmas. Is that weird? So you can see there's some glow to my hand. So it's a nice glow. That is a really pretty spray. I don't think I'd want to put it on my whole face. Definitely on the cheek area, which you can just hold like some tissue up or something, just hold your hand, whatever you want to do. If you don't want your whole face. But if you're down for that dewy look, girl, this is pretty. And I think obviously this is going to be kind of the same effect as like a base underneath your foundation, or you can mix it in with your foundation. You can use this multiple ways. I'm excited to try it. She cute. She a cutie. All right, so the last stuff in here are some of their Glow Balms, which I think are just lip balms. I thought they would be like both lip balms and glow bombs, especially this one because it looks like it's like a white. I thought maybe it was a highlighter stick, but I don't think it actually is. It smells like, it does kind of smell like little kids chapstick. I'm not gonna lie, it's hard. Hopefully you can, yeah, I mean, maybe you could use that. You're not gonna, I'm gonna swatch on this hand because my whole hand is glowy. Yeah, this one's just kind of a clear with an iridescent shift to it. Just the Glow Balm. So this one is Myth. So Myth looks like this. Next, we've got this orangey one, which is Fantasy. Yep, you can definitely see that one's got some orangey tint to it. They smell good though. They smell kind of like pixie sticks. That's what they smell like. Okay, we've got this kind of reddy one, which is Adventure. It's kind of like a reddy pink. Oh, she's cute. She looks like she has a gold shift. Definitely a lighter balm. It's here right there. Ooh, this one's cute. This one is definitely up my alley. This is in Story. It looks kind of like a nudie shade with a little bit of glow. A little bit of glow, if you will. That's cute. It's the last one. Definitely one that I would wear on the daily. They're definitely glowy, but I think they're just like a lip balm. Oh, look at that packaging. I didn't even realize how iridescent. Everything's iridescent. I hope you can see. Like it's not translating, but it's iridescent in person. It's cute. All right, love, so that is everything from Revolution. Not a huge haul, but some new stuff to show you guys. I definitely have a full cart from Ulta coming that's got some new Revolution stuff in it as well. I gotta go place that order. I think I'm gonna go shopping right now because I just feel the need. I feel the need. Sometimes you just need to shop a little bit, you know? Sometimes you just gotta. All right, loves, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Share if you could. It does help me out so much. And please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We do beauty, plus size fashion, food videos, vlogs, stuff like that. If you were into it, you're in the right place. Subscribe and let's be friends. Also, everything is linked down below. They are affiliate links if you would like to use them. That would be great. It lets them know that I sent you. But I'll also link anything that's available on Ulta as well because that's just easier if you're in the US, honestly. Anyway, I am rambling. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye. Also, let me know what new makeup products you want to see me try out. Okay. Luna. Binksy. Why are they being so bad? Oh my gosh. Kids. What are you doing? Why are you doing these things? Ugh, that's what she said. Girl. What are the claims that say vitamin C? Oh, it's got vitamin C though. Oh, vitamin E. Learn to read, Shannon.